Be quiet. Let me fly my plane. It's pink. Woohoo!
He's still in the closet. It's Breast Cancer Awareness Month, October, so you're fine. That's a pink lemonade for you.
Yeah, but October's
Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that.
Come on, let's plan there.
Well,
He's got another one waiting.
we got one coming in.
Hey, Brand, was that as good for you as it was for him? I was watching.
Whee! Skysword time!
I don't need the whole run. I'm gonna add a little more downturn and fly.
Now we're gonna go for synchronized swimming again.
Yeah.
Alright, taking off.
Well, let's wait for the other guys.
It's alright. Oh, too late. Teenagers eager to go.
That much runway?
You have to go.
No, we just like going back there.
Clear.
From the back.
Is that on video, right?
Yes.
You probably put some voice over.
No. Unfiltered. We don't do editing.
Oh, that's a lot better.
Told you.
Yeah, like I can actually move passes now.
Yeah, see, and you won't have to hold down. It'll be fine.
One thing is my
We don't do editing.
Ray, why are you flying that plane?
Why not?
This doesn't even look like an airplane.
That's the whole point. It looks like the diamond. You've seen a diamond before, right?
Oh,
That's why I always like that plane. So
it's so pink.
it's very pink, yes,
That's so
but it's only a color.
Ray flies a pink sword.
I'll wave it all around too. Why not?
Look fast.
Hello! Sword's right there with you guys. See?
You guys don't need to fly full speed all the time.
I know, but Frank's doing it, so I'm on him.
Well, that thing's huge. You can like, you just see 3 little red things in that little. And then you see.
Ray has got the nice.
Woo!
The pink airplane at once so many times. It is very pink. This is actually pretty fast, though, to be honest.
It is.
He drives it pretty.
It's my plane. It's not going to be slow.
Alright, I'm gonna do a slow pass. Wow, flops. Oh, whoa.
See? Be careful over there, though. Keep the wind up. Keep the speed up.
Remember that wind is a thing?
Windy thing.
Remember that thing? You know, like physics and wind and math and stuff? Doesn't really matter, but you know, every once in a while it kind of kicks in.
Pink Skysword, take it over, baby!
Time
Woohoo!
remaining 2 minutes.
Remember the guy with the fan over there? The guy with the fans over there? Where's the fan?
Ray, can you edit the color later?
No,
Alright.
the paint is fading, so it is going to get painted.
Same color?
No.
It's gonna be,
Wake up!
it's gonna be lime green.
No, it's going to be like the Mach 5.
You're like, what?
The Mach 5 Speed Racer.
Oh, nice. I used to love that.
Landing.
Go, Speed Racer, go!
Ray, I'll do a Formula 1 thing.
Formula 1.
Landing.
That's gonna be very cool.
Oh, it could. It would look like that. But I've always wanted a Speed Racer.
Like the Aetius Megor, the red and the white.
Oh, yeah.
It's opened up pretty good.
Time remaining
Down
1
elevator
minute.
flatness. Because I was pulling up hard on that one.
Oh, you were?
Should I take off the down elevator flatness?
Does it feel like it?
Yeah.
Oh, for flaps? You may not need it.
Alright guys, I'm gonna have to break this Mendes off.
Oh, over the pits, sorry.
Left!
Over the pits, sorry.
Do you have it on yours, Ray?
What?
The down elevator?
I don't think I have any.
30 seconds.
It doesn't balloon up.
No, if you have it set right, it doesn't balloon.
It shouldn't. Oh, I got 0. That's fine.
Time remaining 23 seconds.
Well, so I've always had 0, but now because I actually had down elevator, I'll add a little up elevator.
Okay. You may not need any though. Seriously, take it all out. I think you don't need it.
10,
Well, no, I never had any, but it's still kind of.
Oh, got it,
Like
got it.
over here. Shit, it went down.
5,
Okay.
I thought it was women though.
gear down, landing.
All right, I'm coming in.
2, 1, flat up.
Oh, come on. Damn it, it went off the road on the runway. It's not for you! You promise? That's right, baby. Look at that. Very nice, Frankie. You making fun of my plane with pink and your pilots are dressed in orange. What the hell?
Hey, orange is okay.
No, it's not.
Florida.
No, it's not. Makes you think of juice.
You know of any football team that has pink jerseys?
No, but they wear tights.
But they do.
They wear tights though. Who cares about the color?
Ray, stop